Hello everyone. Today I will show you that how can you find list of blocked contacts on your iPhone. So let's start with opening the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on phone option. Here is phone. Tap on it. Now scroll down to last and you will get an option of blocked contacts. Click on it. Here you will see a list of all the contacts and phone numbers that you have blocked. These are the contacts who won't be able to call you or send you SMS. And if you want to unblock a contact, tap on edit in the upper right corner. Then tap the red minus sign next to the contact's name or the number. And then finally tap on unblock. And then click on done on the top right corner. That's it. You can now view your list of blocked contacts and manage them as needed. Thank you everyone.